Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what you legally control: the phone model, IMEI, and the Infinix Xhide app version, so support can identify the correct procedure. Once done, make sure you have proof of purchase and the Google account credentials tied to the phone. These establish ownership. Also, immediately back up any files you can access to the cloud or a PC. If a later step requires a factory reset, you will want your data preserved. These steps speed up authorized recovery. Next, use only official recovery paths. If Xhide offers a password hint or reset flow, follow it carefully. The app may require authentication via your Google account or fingerprint. If Android provides account-based unlock options, try those. They tie into device ownership and won't bypass security. If those fail, contact Infinix support or an authorized service center and share the IMEI and proof of purchase so they can guide you through their verified recovery procedures rather than risking data loss. If official recovery fails, the final option is a factory reset or professional service, but only after backup and explicit confirmation from support, because reset erases data. Once done, re-log in with the original Google account to reprovision the phone and restore backups. Alternatively, an authorized Infinix technician can reprovision your device without recommending insecure workarounds. If you must visit a service center, bring proof of purchase and ID. This prevents delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.